It's Leon from the development team with some exciting news about contacts. Multiple emails for a contact is now something that you can do within the system. The multiple emails for a contact feature allows you to add more than one email address to a contact's details. You can add, manage, and edit multiple email addresses for a contact and choose a primary email that will be used for all actions and interactions with the contact. When sending an email, users can choose from the list of email addresses added for a lead, and the primary address will be automatically selected. You will also be able to bulk import and export with multiple email addresses. Now, there are some limits that you should be aware of. Only one primary email address and 10 additional email addresses are possible at this time. This feature provides greater flexibility in managing email information, including organizing multiple communication channels, which increases efficiency and saves time. Now let's go over how this works. When you're adding a contact, as you can see, there's an add email option on the page. And when you click and add emails up until 11 emails, the option goes away because it's the maximum. When editing a contact, you click on the pencil icon within the email field, and you can also select the primary email address in use. When you're importing a CSV file and you get to the mapping page, if the email field is left blank, it'll select the first email on this list as the primary. Otherwise, it'll select email as the primary. To import additional emails, you'd use the additional emails selection from the drop-down, and you would separate the emails with a comma. Here's an example of what this would look like. You've got the primary email, and then you have multiple emails separated by commas. To learn more about this feature, just search for multiple emails for a contact within the help library. Stay tuned for more updates.